Imagine a world where humanoid robots walk among us. Welcome to Figure, the first of its kind AI robotics company, bringing a general-purpose humanoid to life. A foot designed for optimal ground interaction. Notice the gap between the ankle and heel, allowing natural rotational motion. Imagine a world where humanoid robots walk among us. A flexible mesh body design allows for fluid, human-like movements, enabling the robot to navigate and operate in our world seamlessly. At the core of Figure 02 are cutting-edge actuators, delivering exceptional torque and range of motion. Every joint and limb is engineered for precision and strength. But it's the hands that truly set Figure 02 apart. Rubberized grip bumps, varying finger lengths, and an opposable thumb, all working in harmony to achieve unparalleled dexterity and speed. This version now has eye-driven vision using 6 cameras in its build. Figure 02 transcends single-function robots, supporting a wide range of industries. From manufacturing and logistics to warehousing and retail, this humanoid is designed to enhance productivity and address labor shortages. The company suggests with Figure 02 in our working lives, we can create more, produce more, and keep workers out of unsafe jobs. Our world is built for the human form, and now, our robots are too. Supported by visionary investors including Jeff Bezos, Microsoft, NVIDIA, and OpenAI, Figure is at the forefront of robotic innovation. Figure 02 is the most advanced humanoid on the planet. They are not just building robots, they are creating a future where humans and robots work together to achieve the extraordinary.